Another hip drill to help disassociate your hip and your core is an alternating knee to chest stretch while pushing your other heel into the ground. So what this looks like, you're gonna bring one knee up towards your chest, almost like you're doing that stretch, but your other leg, your far leg, is pushing that heel down into the ground, working that glute on the other side. You're gonna hold there for a breath in, breath out, and then switch. Push this heel into the ground as you pull this one up, and then switch. Push that heel into the ground as you stretch up, and switch. Push down. Once you really feel that glute working, those hamstrings working, while getting that stretch on the other side. In fact, use your hip flexors to drive this knee up. It's not just your hands. So you're kind of working your hip flexor on the left and your glute on the right. Really open up those hips. I feel like my glute's got to cramp up a little bit on my right side. I need to be doing more stuff like this myself.